ViewStretch brings the non-proportional scale from Autodesk Alias straight into Blender. In object mode, a single gesture stretches everything in the viewport. Hold Ctrl and Alt, then drag, horizontally to scale along the view's x-axis, vertically along y. Release to keep the stretch. Click without dragging, and everything snaps back, perfectly, because ViewStretch never touches your mesh data. It's made for shaping by eye. Test a longer nose, a lower stance, wider haunches, and dial it back in a second. In edit mode, it works on only the object you're editing, so you can rebalance one panel while the rest of the model stays exactly where it is. Non-destructive, view relative, and instant. The alias stretch you've been missing in Blender. ViewStretch. Available now on Superhive.